Welcome, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Tamar Blair-Robinson, a trained educator and mentor at the Beulah All Age School in Clarendon, and that's in Region 7, and I'm a part of QEC 49. Now, our duty for today is to get our e-portfolios ready. Now, this is home page of my ePortfolio, and I can take you through or walk you through step by step on how to get it done. Let's get started. All right, so our first step is for us to go to our drive. So we are going to use our generated emails, or you would say the one that you have made up. So we're not going to use the ministry's email to do this. So make sure that you are on your generated email and we are going to get started. So once you are in that account, you go to 9 dots to find Drive. And this is Drive right here where you see this triangle looking icon, that is Drive. Once you click on it, you are right in your Drive. Now we are going to go ahead and create our e-portfolios. So to the left, you see the word new and the plus sign. Go ahead and click onto that. All right, so we're going to look for the word more. Some devices will show something else, but let me scroll down to more. Once we're there, over to the right, the arrow takes us down to a listing where we're going to look for Google Sites. Here we have Google Sites. Click onto that, and we are going to go straight into our Google site. Waiting for it to load. Here it is. Our first step, once we're on this page, this is our home page. So what we're going to do is to go ahead and type in our names. So my name is Tamar, and I go Blair for here. Tamar Blair, and then I can write e-portfolio there. All right, same thing applies here. So once I click, it automatically comes there. All right, so this is my trial e-portfolio. So here we leave this for now because we're going to go to Canva to get here all sorted out. So our next move now is to insert pages and add sub-pages. So on our home page, we want to add some sub-pages, and let's get that done. So our first step is to go to insert. Now let me go slower. To the right, you will see of this page, you will see insert. Click on insert. Our next step is to go pages. So insert, then you click on pages. Once done, you realize you see the word home here, and at the bottom, there is a plus sign, right? Click onto that plus sign. You realize it gives us a new page. Great. Now we want to make sub pages on our home page. Now what we're going to do is to come back here. Let's get here. Click on the 3 dots beside the word home, and it says add sub pages. So we are going to add some sub pages to our home page. If you want, you could put welcome on your home page, but I want a page for welcome differently. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the word welcome. That's a sub page to my home page. So welcome, bam, I got a sub page there. I want more sub pages on my home page. So where you have home page, click on the 3 dots again, add sub page. My next sub page, I want to put a page where I have table of contents. So table of contents. That's another sub page added to my home page. Done. Go again to the 3 dots, add sub page. I'm just going the easy route where persons can understand. So our next one is going to be that of our teaching philosophy. Teaching philosophy. All right, then done. That's another subpage added to my home page. Next step, we're going to go back to home, click on the three dots, add another subpage, which is going to be my resume. Then I click done. Go back to home, to the right. I see the three dots again. Add subpage. I want more subpage to my home page because I'm adding them as I go along. Qualifications and achievements. And you might ask why. That would be in your resume, right? Yes, but with this, you will get the chance to upload. All right, then I click done. Go back to home again, three dots, and I add subpage. Teaching experiences. All right, then I click done. Go back to the home again, add subpage, and the final one would be place of employment. And there you could talk about your school, you know, your motto, your vision statement, your school Facebook account. You could take the things that you have been doing at your school. So that is where you'll put all of those videos, pictures, slides, whatsoever you can add there. So now that we have these sub pages for our own page, we are now going to create the pages for the 6 guiding principles that we use for appraisal. So where you have the plus sign here, it allows you to add new pages, and the guiding principles are on pages by themselves. So first, click the plus sign, number 1, guiding principle number 1. So guiding principle, #1, number 1, click done. So those are not sub pages, but they are pages all by themselves. Go again on the plus sign, so we don't want to add any sub page to this yet. If we wish, we could. All right, number 2, let us count them out. Guiding principle number 2. All right, next one, plus sign again. Guiding principle number 3. Done. Again, guiding principle number 4. So we're going up all the way to 6. There are 6 guiding principles on the appraisal instrument, so we're going up to 6. So we're at 4, number 5 now. Click plus sign again. Guiding principle number 6. Number 5, and our last one will be 6. So guiding principle number 6. All right, then we click done. Easy. Now we realize that sometimes when you're typing, they'll go all over the place. How do we get that corrected? All you have to do is to click on it, drag, and place it in the correct order. Make sure it's in the middle so you don't get it to be a sub-page. So we keep moving them down. I think this is 1. All right, that's 6. So 6 goes down there. That's 5. Put 5 in between there. All right, number 1 comes up here. Try not to put it on the words itself. It will be a sub-page. So put it in between each. All right, good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. And then we have our sub pages to our home page. If you want to add sub pages to the guiding principles, you can do so. For example, number 1, where you could add a sub page for, say, for all your action plans. And you could also add another sub page for your lesson plans. So that is how you'd add sub pages to the guiding principles. So for lesson plans and for action, and you can add more than 1, or more than 2, or more than 3. It's up to you. So for guiding principle number 1, you realize I have action plans here. Let me properties this. If you make a mistake like I did, you can just go to properties and make changes to it. Done. All right, so you have action plans, lesson plans, and those are sub pages to my guiding principle number 1 page. You can do sub pages for the others as well. So we'll talk about that as we go along. I'm just basically showing you exactly how to get it done. All right, so there we are. Now I'm going back to my home page. You can use, they are all the way up here. So you realize they're there. You can click on them, click on your home page. So our next step is to set up the pages. So once I teach you how to do the home page, the others will be easy for you. Now here I have my home page. And this is my landing page. Right here is my landing page or your header page. But I want to make it pop. I want to make it pretty. How to get it done? Don't worry yourself. We're going over to Canva. And teachers, what I want for you to do is to sign up for Canva for Education. So it's Canva for Education using your ministry's email or your ministry's account. It will give you all the free stuff they have over there. So Canva for Education, and you sign up. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the banner for your landing page on Google for Google Sites. Sorry. So we're on Canva doing that. Our first step is to type in banner, and we're here. I don't want to use the templates that they show me here. I want to go ahead and create my own. So let's go back there to show you exactly what I just did. So here we are, and I said type in banner, and many will come up, but I don't want to use any of the ones that they have here. What I want to do is to click on the plus sign here so that I can create one on my own. So here we are. I have a blank template here and over here, so a blank paper here, and over here you have templates if you want to use them. All these to the left help you to populate this page. So here I am now, and I want a background. First thing, I want a professional background for my photo. To get one, you can go to Google, just click on new tab up here and type in a nice background that you can save it as, and you can upload it. So another way is that you can use what they have. If you want to use their background here takes you to many. So you can use one, but if you want to use this one, fine. Some people like a blank background or a colored background, no problem. You could also look in photos for background. So they have many, as well as you could type in up here and you could get some. So here's a wall. What if you want to use this wall? No problem. So let me use this wall for now. My next step now is to get my photo over here, because you want a headshot of yourself on your landing page or your home page itself. So upload, to get things from your desktop to put to Canva, you have to go to upload, then upload media, then device, and it takes it right to your desktop, and you can search for your photo or anything you have there, and then you click onto it, then you click open, and then it will come right up here. Now I'm going to search for a photo. See it here? So all I would have to do is to click and it come right over. All right, pretty, right? Yes, I created this using Canva. Now let me undo so I can create one from scratch for you to see. So I'm going to use a photo of myself. I have many here that I have uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and just use a photo just to show you exactly how to get it done. All right, let me use. Let me try and find one.
To my mommy.
All right, I'm trying to find a photo. All right, see one here. All right, so here we have a photo over here, but if you realize there's a background on it, and it's not kind of blending in with the wall that I have here. How can I get this background off? No need to worry. Let me tell you how. So click on the photo, then edit image, then BG remover. Once that is in, our next step is to click on apply. Here it is, apply. And look at that. The background from a photo is gone. And now I can go ahead and make it a bit larger. I want to flip it around. Let me flip it. Flip horizontal. Great. So I can put myself right there. And I can go ahead and drag it down. So I blend in with the wall. Now I want to write something. My next move is to go back over here to the left and get to text box. So get to text so I can find some nice styles of writing. So you can choose any that they have here, or if you want to use add heading, everything is up to you. All right, so you can also change its color. So if I could highlight this, I can change the color of the writing. What if I want it in blue to match my outfit? There you go. So here I'm going to write my name here, Tamar Blair-Robinson. All right, so make this, I want it in one line. So let me kind of minimize the font. So minimizing the font of that. All right, great. Now I want to state that insert one more text box because I want to state that I'm a trained educator and mentor. So trained educator and mentor. Good. Also to decrease the font, you can decrease and increase if you wish. Make smaller, make larger. It's up to you how you want your wording. So I want this to be a little bit smaller. All right, there it is. All right, so there it is. My name is there and that is there. So my next step now is, what else do I want? Yes, I want to put some other stuff there because I joined YouTube. I have my LinkedIn account. So I'm just going to put them over here just to show exactly what I have going on. I also have a Facebook account, and my YouTube videos have all my teaching and learning videos there, and the professional LinkedIn account. All right, and my Facebook account. Now, say this is pretty nice. It can be nicer. So if you want to add glittery stuff to it or something moving, I can go to elements at this side there. And I can look for anything I want. You can type in right here and you can find some things. All right, so what do you want on your page? You want a star there. So it's all moving and stuff. So I can put this right above here or even right between here. Yes, so it depends on what you want to use. It's up to you. I can put a clock on the wall, a moving clock on the wall. All right, so that's good. And my next step now is to go ahead and make this animated. So Tamar Blair-Robinson, I'm going to make this animated. So let me animate. So I want this word here, my name, to kind of bounce in. You see that? Nice, man. And then the trained educator and mentor, I want it to be in block. Look at that. I want my picture now. So click on your picture for it to go ahead and rise. This I would want to tumble. This I would want to breathe. And this I would want to photo rise. So you realize it's very pretty. All right, good. Now, once we are done there, our next step now is to download. And let me rename first. I rename as my header. Header 67. Now I'm going to download. So download, and I want this to be downloaded as a GIF or a GIF. Then I click download. Wait for it to download. And then what we are going to do next is to go back. It's downloading, so by the time I go over to my drive, it will be ready. So once it has been downloaded, it will be saved in downloads on your desktop. So let me wait so that it doesn't give me much of a trouble when I get there. Couple seconds to go. All right, so this is very nice, and you can make it prettier if you wish. It's up to you how you want to decorate your page. All right, so I am almost finished downloading. So I'm just going to head over to my drive. Just head over to my drive to see. Great, so it shows you it is done. All right, let me X that off and go over to my drive. Over to my drive now. How to get it from my desktop to my drive? Go to New towards the left there. Click on File Upload and searching downloads now. And here it is, header 67. Click onto it. Click Open and wait for it to load over here. So you'll see it loading here. It's uploading. All right, it's almost there. It will give you a tick. Good. So tick is there. All right, let me exit off and I'm going to look for it right here. What's the name again? Header 67. Here it is. Our next step is to right click on it, get link or share. So I'm using get link. And I am going to make sure it is not restricted. It is restricted because if I upload that, persons will not be able to see it. So remove restricted, make sure it is on anyone with link. Then can view, anyone with link can view, then done. I am going to go over to my e-portfolio now. All right, over to my e-portfolio. My next move is to make this pretty. Click on change image. So if I hover here, over this part to the left, I will realize I see change image. Click onto that, select image, go to my drive. Let me look for it. All right, header 67. There it is. Click onto it, select. Once I click select, it's going to load up. It is loading. So adjusting for readability. Let us wait on that and to see what exactly happens. All right, there it is. It's coming up. Give it some more time. It's still adjusting. So it's fixing up things. It's adjusting. All right, there it is. I can now remove this part that says your title page. I don't need it. Now, the stars here, the read adjustable stars, it allows it to get brighter. Let us try. Yeah, it is. And I can go over to header type here and make it a larger banner. Great. So I am loving this as I see it here, right? So now that we have our banner here, our next move now is to populate our own page. Now, I would want to insert a text box here. You can use the layouts they have here. But I'm going to insert a text box and I want to write something about myself, my profile, or you can name it, who am I? Or it's up to you what you want to put there. But just showing you some examples. So I can make this highlight. I can change it, the font size to make it larger. I can make it bold. Align, can put it in the center. The A here allows you to change the color. Now, if you're dealing with a certain color, you would want to remain with such. So let me put it in blue and then I'll put back this in white. So blue and white is my color scheme. All right, good. So you could insert another text box here and you could kind of minimize it, put it over here, write who you are here. So write about yourself here and also include a quote here from Google or where you can find one and you're good to go. So let me see if I can. So to insert now, so insert, go to your drive. If you upload anything, you would go to your drive for it. Let me say that I had uploaded this. Let me click on this. And I want it to be here right beside what I'm going to write about myself. So Let me kind of drag it. You can click on the circles to drag it to make it larger. All right, let me drag it. Yes. So I'm kind of fixing up my page as I go along. All right, so remember here I would put who am I. So you would have more words here because you're having who am I there. Okay. All right. So because I want a background to here now, I could go to this part that says section background, and I could go to image, then select image, or if you want to upload one, it's up to you. Click on it, select, and the background. So I'm using blue and this color here. All right. So now that you wrote about who you are, and you also would put in your quote and your photo and so forth. And remember, we're on our home page. You could have a table of content page alone, or it's up to you if you want to put it on your home page. If you want to put it on your own page, no problem. Our next step now is to insert a text box here and write table of content. Table of content, and you can use the alignment to put it in the middle. All right, center it, make it bolder, increase font size, add your color to it and so forth. Put yellow, white there because I wanted to use a section background which is blue. All right, good. Our next step now is to go to insert, because we want to put in our table of content and go ahead and the hyperlinked thingy. So insert, then I look for button. Our first thing is to go down to link, then welcome is there. I can copy the word welcome here, copy the word welcome and paste it here. So I'm hyperlinking the welcome to my welcome page, right? So paste, here it is. You can drag it to make it nicer. Go again, insert, button, and you keep doing this until you finish all of that. Then table of content, then you copy the word table of content. Don't mind the word page, and you paste it here. Then insert. All right, so you're going to do it for all of them, all of the pages. So you will see them as you go down. Now, if you want to put a little background to it, you can go back here, and you search for one just to make it pretty and pop. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? So you'll do this for all. So go back to insert again, go back to button, and if you click on link, you will see them. You can scroll down to find all the pages. You're going to do all the pages right down to guiding principle number 6. Hyperlink all the pages in table of contents. And as I was saying before, you could put it on your home page, or if you want, remember I did some sub pages, so I had a different page for a table of content, so I could put them here. Otherwise, from that, you have welcome. You can do your welcome there, or if you want to put it on your own page, it's up to you. Sub-page, teaching philosophy, you must have your teaching philosophy. You must have your resume uploaded. And I taught you how to upload from your desktop and also how to open share setting. I told you how to do that. Go to get link and make sure it is on anyone with link can view. And also how to insert. To insert, you can insert from your drive. So you can click insert and insert from your drive, and you can get the things over on your side there. Let me try one. Insert, click, and it's over here, and you drag the circles. So other than inserting, we can also hyperlink links. Let me go back to my drive and show you something. So what if I want header over there? Say, I have a lesson here for today. I would right click, get link. It is restricted. Take it off restricted. Anyone with link, great. Copy the link and done. Then I go back to my portfolio and I can go to here because this is a photo. So this is a photo I want to hyperlink or my lesson in this photo. Just showing how to hyperlink. So I click on the photo. The hyperlinks icon is right here. Click onto it. Paste the link that you have copied there and click apply. Good. So once you click onto this, if you're in preview mode, you'll go straight into the document itself. So that's one way how you can hyperlink. The other way is by using button. Let us try that. Insert, button. I'm going to write the word, say these are lesson plans. Lesson plans. And I add a folder in my drive with all my lesson plans there. So I write lesson plans here. I would paste a link for the lesson plan here and insert. So this would be an hyperlinked button with all my lesson plans. So once you click here, you go straight into my lesson plans. You can also do it in words. What if I don't want any button or pictures, but I want words? So let me try one. Insert a text box. And I write lesson plans. All right, just doing this one just to show you something. All right, so I would highlight that, click on the linking sign, and paste the link here. So the word lesson plans is hyperlinked to all my lesson plan documents. That's one way. So I showed you how you could add documents, hyperlink, also how to insert, how to upload. It's very easy. And I'll show you how to put on backgrounds to your stuff. All right, for guiding principle number 1, moving over to the principles and to explain exactly what goes there. So guiding principle number 1 speaks about the teacher knows the subject that he or she teaches. So for that one now, you could add your lesson plans, your action plans, your assessment plans, add those stuff. And I will send a listing so that you know exactly what to go under each, based on the appraisal instrument. Number 2, you could add your recordings, your videos, if you have a YouTube channels, things that, so teacher knows how to teach a subject that he or she is responsible for. So you show evidence that you are able to do so. Guiding principle number 3, teachers are committed to the children in their care. So it's everything about your students. You can put their students' work here, their videos here, documents that you use to enhance their learning, like your learning, your online tools, your charts, and so forth. It's up to you what you want to do. Number 4, teacher sharpens their professional skills. And JTC is doing a lot of professional developmental courses. Now you can get on board and you can upload things that you have been doing. All right. Number 5, teachers interact with parents and community. PTA session, parental session, community building schemes. If you're doing a all boys can mentorship program, anything you can to uplift your community, put it here. Put the flyers, the brochure, the work, the videos, the slides, everything, get it here. Number 6 speaks about teacher conducts his or herself to uplift the professional. What are you doing to build that professional brand, the authenticity that you have? You are an authentic teacher. So you want to put it out there. You understand who you are. If you have a recommendation, if you have testimonials, if you have anything that would show that you are uplifting and you are doing something great, you put it here. So I will send a document to explain thoroughly what should go in each, and you can also use the appraisal instrument as a guide. And that's basically what I wanted to show you. Thank you so much. I'll do another video of which I could explain exactly what to go under each and help you. Now, this is my e-portfolio. And as I said, this is my home page. And, take your time and create your stuff. Make it nice. Make it pop. Make it different. Make it what you want it to be. Let me go to guiding principle 1 and basically show you what I have there. So this is my guiding principle number 1. Teacher knows the subject that she teaches. So I talk about my subject area here. And this is my classroom. I am an early childhood teacher. So, I did a welcome video for my students. And my class profile is here. My psychosocial support is here. I embed them. My assessment plan is here. my action plans are here, and also I had a sub page too. All my online teaching tools, I embed them here. My lesson plans evaluated, they are here. And I put some student work and some data analysis that I carried out here. So basically, and as I said before, I have a sub page for this. So you realize action plans are, my action plan sub page is here. So for last year and this year, and I have some others to add for the year before. This is an ongoing thing. So you take your time and get it done. And my lesson plans are here. So I'm going to add some more as I go along. So this is basically what I have been doing, and I'm just helping others to get it done. It's not hard. Just keep practicing, keep doing what you do, and by the time you think you're just far away in this thing. And I just want to say hats off to the Jamaica Teaching Council for helping me so that I can help others. And as Mrs. Wilmot always say, each one reach one, tell one until the work is done. And that is what I want to do, to assist someone so that they can go out and assist others until all of us have our documents up and running. Thank you so much, everyone. Have yourselves a blessed day, and God bless you all.